Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. We appreciate it so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like DIY, fashion, and sewing and haul videos. Okay, let's just go ahead and jump right in. So today we are going to be doing a shoe unboxing for Crocs. And I cannot wait to show you guys what's in here. This was one of my Christmas gifts from my husband. I really like these Crocs. I've been wanting them a really long time. Let's go ahead and unbox these beauties. Okay, so here they are. They are the rainbow tie-dye Crocs. And these are so fun, you guys. Look, so bright and colorful. These shoes always sell out. They are so hard to find. I've been looking online forever and I found them in the mall one day and I told my husband, I was like, I really want these shoes for Christmas, and he went back and got them for me. So sweet. They're so comfy. I actually do not even have a pair of Crocs. The pair of Crocs that I do have are knockoffs, so I don't have an actual pair. So I am just totally psyched. They do run a little big. I was very surprised that they ran so big, but I put the strap on the back here, and I also did not pair them with socks yet. So I think when I put socks with them, it's gonna fit really nicely. But just be aware that if you want to wear them barefoot, maybe size like half a size down or a full size down. These also come in like a pastel tie-dye print, but I really just like the really bright, colorful. And I like that it's different on each shoe. I like that it's like a different tie-dye print. I just think that's so cool. They're so well made and they're so light, and these are gonna be great for work. I'm gonna wear these to work every day. Let's go ahead and try these on. I hope you guys enjoyed this Crocs rainbow tie-dye shoe unboxing. I know it's a very short video today, but I just wanted to show you guys those. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Me and Jack appreciate it so much. Jack and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.